Welcome to our guide on how to call Africa from the USA while minimizing costs despite technological advancements. Calling Africa. For internet-based calling, test the call quality before speaking for long. Switch locations or use alternatives if sound quality is poor. With cell phones, costs per minute can be very high with VoIP or calling cards. Monitor minutes are used to avoid unexpectedly high bills. Calling Africa directly from a landline phone is one of the more expensive options. Rates average $1 3 minute with extra fees. Before speaking for an extended period, ensure that you test the call's sound quality, particularly if you are using an internet-based. It's critical to keep your call's duration in check, particularly if you're using a mobile phone. With VoIP or calling cards. Calling Africa from the USA has been a costly affair, but there are affordable alternatives like prepaid calling. Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.